ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 103 seventh mantra now, starting from 102 actually. अथ हेमम् आसन्यं प्राणम ऊचुस् त्वं न उद्गायेति तथेति तेभ्य एष प्राण उदगायत् ते विदुः अनेन वै न उद्गात्रा अत्येष्यन्ति इति तम अभिद्रुत्य पाप्मना अत्येष्यन्ति इति विदुर अनेन वै न उद्गात्रा अत्येष्यन्ति इति तम अभिद्रुत्य तम अभिद्रुत्य पाप्मना अभिव्यत्सन स यथा अश्मान अश्मानम यथा अश्मानम ऋत्वा लोष्टो विध्वंसेत एवं हैव विध्वंसमाना विश्वंचो विनेशुस् ततो देवा अभवन् परा असुरा भवत्यात्मना परा अस्य विशन भ्रातृव्यो भवति य एवं वेद. In this, on 103, after the third line in the mantra, abhavan para asura, put comma. See the meaning. So what has happened in that context, we will see this mantra. Devatas requested Vagadi Devata to do the Udganam for them so that they become powerful, they overpower the Asuras, but they all could not do it. Now they are approaching Pranam. So earlier the Prana Shabda was to be understood as Granam. Earlier Prana was Granam. Athaha, one more thing, clarification. In the sixth mantra, last line you see, एवमु खलु एता देवताः in the mantra, पाप्मभिः उपासजन् एवं एनाः एनाः, what is the pratipadika? Idam. Idam pratipadika you see. In Strilinga. Yam ime imaha imam enam ime ene imaha enaha. Everybody got it? Enaha is idam. प्रातिपदिका, स्त्रीलिंग शब्द द्वितीय बहुवचन. Note that down. Now see this seventh mantra. Atha imam asanyam pranam uchus. Now they are talking to this asanyam, imam asanyam pranam, that which is in the mouth. Asanam is mukham, asanyam, mukhe sthitam, pranam uchuhu. Tvam na udgaya iti. You do this udganam for us. आप हमारे लिए उद्गान करो. तथेति, प्राण सेड यस. तेभ्यः एषः प्राण उदगायत. तेभ्यः, for them, for devatas, प्राण started doing udganam. ते विदुः, ते के असुराः, असुराः विदुः. So they knew prana is doing udganam. अनेन वै न उद्गात्रा, अनेन उद्गात्रा न अत्येष्यन्ति. हम लोगों को, टू अस इट विल ट्रांसेंड. अत्येष्यन्ति इति तम अभिद्रुत्य. So they rushed to him, to prana. For what? Papmana abhivyatsan. So vyad dhatu, lang lakar and san pratyaya. So they actually did not do the vedhanam. With the desire to that vedhanam they went. So that's why san pratyaya. Avivyatsan. Sa yatha ashmanam ritva loshto vidvamseta evam haiva vidvamsamanaha vishwancho vineshu. विश्वंचः अनेक प्रकारेण, सर्व प्रकारेण. These asuras, when they attacked, it was like a lump of clay, loshtaha, thrown on or going towards ashma. Ashma means a rock. A lump of clay thrown on the rock. What happens to the rock? Rock is rock solid. Nothing happens. So that ashma was there and the loshta, it hit there and it got shattered. Like that, these asuras could not do anything to prana. Earlier they tried with these other indriyas were gone. But this prana, nothing happened. So somebody said, Tvagindriya is also samashti because it is also everywhere, etc., etc. Another explanation is Tvagindriya is outside, but it is not inside, how it is only contacting external. The objective is Tvagindriya does not help any other indriya to function. It may be pervading, but it doesn't help anybody else. Prana is the one which helps everyone to do their job. Without prana, no indriya, no karana can function. This is the main point. If I am good, I am individually good and I am collectively good. I can identify with others and I can help them. This is the main thing here for prana. And that is why prana did, and they did not have any swartha. Prana does not do anything for itself. Prana does everything for all other indriyas only. And that's why they were like ashmanam. They were like ashma. Ashman is the shabda. Pratipadika is ashman. Ashma, ashmanav, ashmanaha, ashmanam. Dvitiya ekvachana. Ritva. Ritva is gatyarthaka dhatu again. means gatva. Ashmanam gatva loshtaha vidvamseta evam. Just like a loshta having approached the rock will get destroyed, like that these asuras evam haiva vidvamsamanaha vishwam chaha सर्वतः अनेक प्रकारेण विनेषु विनेषु विननाशः विनेशतुः विनेषु. Or if you just remove the vi, nanashah neshatuh neshuh, that is the actual form. Nash dhatu. Nanashah neshatuh neshuh. Lit lakara. Whenever this dvitva is there, it is all lit lakara. Adarshane, nash adarshane is the dhatu. Tato deva abhavan parasura. So you have to read this way. Tataha devaha abhavan. Devaha abhavan. Therefore, devatas actually became devata. Means they returned to their glory. Their glory was covered. Now they came back to their glory. And then para asura abhavan. Asura parabhavan. Asuras got defeated. Para is the upasarga for abhavan. Parabhavan means their parabhava. How we say? Parabhava means defeat. They got defeated. This is the Chandasi pare api vyavahitascha. The upasarga is after the dhatu. So in Vedas it is possible. Chandasi pare api. Or vyavahita also sambandha is there. Why I asked you to put comma after that? Because otherwise, see, the tendency will be deva abhavan, para asura bhavati. After that, bhavati is there. But asura is bahuvachanam. Bhavati will not go with that. Okay. Bhavati atmana, that is for the next one. Bhavati atmana para asya dvishan bhratrubhyo. Bhavati ya evam veda. Ya evam veda, ya evam upasate. Atmana bhavati. Asya द्विषन् भ्रातृव्यो परा भवति. आत्मना भवति. This is one sentence. Bhavati atmana. Atmana bhavati means he becomes established as Prajapati. The one who does prana upasana will become Prajapati. So that is bhavati atmana. Asya द्विषन् भ्रातृव्यः. The Bhratruvya means cousin. But what kind of cousin? They have same father but different mother. So normally between them there is enmity. They will get defeated. Dvishan, those, because they do dvesha between each other. Like normally how it used to be, one great king will be there. He will have few wives, queens. And then they all will have children. Only one of them is going to become the prince who will become the king. So the others will have dvesha, except in the case of Ramchandra ji and Bharat ji. So Bharat ji, he never wanted to become Raja. But in other cases, Vishan Bhratravya Parabhavati, they will get defeated. So Para Asya, that Para, and Bhavati later, it will get connected again. So lot of such usages are here. Okay, now see Tika. Everybody following?
Yes, Swami.
Samprati मुख्य प्राणस्य मंत्र प्रकाश्यत्वम उपास्यत्वम च वक्तुम उत्तर वाक्यम उपादाय व्याकरोति. Samprati means idani, now. मुख्य प्राणस्य मंत्र प्रकाश्यत्वम, मुख्य प्राण is mantra prakashya, mantrena prakashyatvam, mukhya pranasya means mukhya prana is mantra prakashya, and upasyatvam, mantra prakashyatvam means asatoma sadgamaya, that mantra, japa mantra prakashyatvam upasyatvam cha vaktum, that prana should be worshipped, meditated upon. Vaktum uttar vakyam upadaya vyakaroti, uttar vakyam means next mantra, उपादाय व्याकरोति, व्याकरोति कः भाष्यकारः. भाष्य वागादि देवता उपासीना अपि मृत्यु अतिगमनाय अशरणाः सन्तो देवाः क्रमेण. So अन्वय of this you see, देवाः क्रमेण वागादि देवता उपासीना अपि मृत्यु अतिगमनाय अशरणाः सन्तः. देवतास क्रमेण वागादि देवता उपासीना अपि. These devatas in sequence through Vagadi Devata. Vagadi Devata did the upasana. Vagadi Devata upasina api mrityu atigamanaya asharanaha santaha. They could not go beyond mrityu. Mrityu here means papam. Asharanaha, one meaning is asamarthaha. Another meaning, asharanaha means sharanam na praptaha. They did not get any shelter. Means they tried Vag Indriya, nothing happened. They tried something else. So whenever I have some faith in someone, and that person, like I think that person is capable of doing this job, and that person miserably fails, then what happens? Or I was taking support of that person, and now that person couldn't do it. So now next person. Now finally they have prana. Sitika. Kramena upasina iti sambandha. Devaha kramena upasina. In this way, sambandha is there in that line. Vagadishu nairashya anantaryam atha shabdartha. In the mantra begins with atha. Athaha imam. So atha means after getting rejected by Vagadi's performance. Vagadishu nairashya anantaryam. Nirasha they attained. Thereafter. Vivakshitartha jnapako asadharano देह तद अवयव व्यापारो अभिनयः विवक्षित अर्थ ज्ञापकः ज्ञापकः what is the sutra there for pakara to come ज्ञापक अर्त्री ह्री व्ली री क्नु ई क्ष्माया पुग्णौ क्ष्मायाताम पुग्णौ अर्त्री ह्री व्ली री क्नु ई क्ष्मायाताम पुग्णौ pug agama comes there. This I have mentioned earlier also. So jnapaka, jna dhatu is there, any akaranta dhatu. See that sutra says artri hri vli ri knui shma yi and akaranta. So jna is akaranta dhatu. All akaranta dhatu will have pakara, pugnau, pug agama. So jnapako असाधारणो देह तद अवयव व्यापारो अभिनयः. What is this deha tad avayava vyapar abhinaya? Imam when it is said, imam in this, asanyam in the mukha, which prana we are referring to? Asanyam pranam. So that abhinaya is done. This abhinaya is very helpful if it is done properly, because it is there to explain the other person. But if abhinaya and the meaning they don't match, then it is more confusing. Like sometimes when we are walking, and if somebody says Ram Jula is this side, Lakshman Jula is further this side. Ram Jula gaye the hum. This side Ram Jula is not there. Ram Jula is this side. So this is called abhinaya. The hand gesture, it should help in communicating. In Bhashya, atha anantaram ha imam iti abhinaya pradarshanam. This is the abhinaya. Anantaram ha imam iti abhinaya pradarshanam. Asanyam, asya bhavam, asanyam. Asya means mukham. Mukhe, this is called asya. Mukhe bhavam, asanyam. Mukhantar bilastham, pranam uchuhu. Pranam uchuhu ke devaha. Devaha uchuhu. So there in Vakya, if karta is not given, then you have to understand, apply. So this is what you have to do when you are sitting alone. You have to open the same book that you have opened in the class, and then you have to go through it. Pranam uchuhu. Tvam na udgaya iti. Devatas told Prana, you sing for us now. You udganam. Tatheti. Evam sharanam upagatebhyaha. Saha esha prano mukhya udgayat. Udagayat. Ityadi puravad. Tatha iti. Then, like how all the other Indriya has done, Prana also did the same thing. Sharanam upagatebhyaha. These devatas who had come to his Sharana. Saesha Pranaha Mukhya. This Mukhya Prana did the Udganam. Papmana Avivyatsan Vedhanam Kartum Ishtavantaha. These Asuras, they tried to do the Vedhanam of Prana with the Papa. Papmana Avivyatsan Vedhanam Kartum Ishtavantaha. 4 number टिप्पणी. तेन सह प्राणम संसृष्टुम संश्लेष्टुम संयोजयितुम येषाम इच्छा जाता इति यावत्. तेन सह means papmana सह, with the papa they tried to associate prana. प्राणम संश्लेष्टुम संश्लेष्टुम संयोजयितुम येषाम इच्छा जाता. These asuras had this desire to connect it with papa. टीका. दोषा संसर्गिणम दोषेण संसृष्टुम कर्तुम संसृष्टम संसृष्टम कर्तुम इच्छा जाता. इच्छा कुतो जाता? Prana, which by itself is dosha asansargi, it doesn't get affected by the dosha. Doshena sansrashtum kartum ichha kuto jata. How this desire came in the asuras to associate prana with the dosha. So it is given in Bhashya. Svena asanga doshena vagadishu labdha prasaraha तद अभ्यास अनुवृत्त्या संश्लिष्यमाणः. Actually up to this, then vineshuhu vinashtaha vidvastha is further. Svena asanga doshena, svena asanga doshena vagadishu. Vagadi, where they had this asanga dosha, they had asakti. Labdha prasaraha ke asura. Labdha prasara, labdha avasaraha, it is given in Tippani. So in them, in Vagadi, they found the opportunity to attack. So because of that, tad abhyasa anuvritya, they, everyone who comes, like some people in some office, let's say, they are used to, they'll give some bribe, they'll get the work done. Next officer comes, they'll give the bribe, they'll get the, some real strict fellow comes, they give the bribe, they get caught, everything is gone. Like that. So that abhyasa is there. Abhyasa anuvritya samshrishya mana. They thought the same thing we will do here. Samshleshyitum ichchavantaha. Samshleshya mana doesn't have nijanta. But Tippanikar says Samshleshayitum ichchavantaha ityartha. Ichcha wale. They have desire. Antarbhavita nich samarthatvat. Their nijanta is their antarbhavi. Because they had the desire. They couldn't complete it. Vineshuhu vinashta vidvastaha. So nich pratyay is actually not for desire, but here the way it is given, samshletum ichchavantaha. So that ichcha was there, and that's why they were attempting. For ichcha, actually it is san pratyay. But Tippanikara has given antarbhavita nich samarthatvat. Nich pratyay is normally for making it done. It's a causal pratyay. I will see in normally that Tippani, if it is not covered, put a question mark. Vineshuhu, vinashtaha, vidvastaha. These asuras became destroyed. Tika. Tad abhyasa anuvritya tasya papma sansarga karanasya abhyasa vashaditya. Because of that abhyasa vritti, again they tried to inflict that prana with some papa. Papma sansarga karanasya abhyasa vashad. Tika. Uktam artham drishtanteena spashtayati. Now that Loshta and Ashma. Drashtanta is given. Katham iva iti chet drishtanta uchyate. How did it happen? So example is given. Sayatha. Sadrishtanto yatha loke ashmanam pashanam ritva gatva prapya लोष्टः पांसुपिंडः पाषाण चूर्णनाय अश्वनि निक्षिप्तः स्वयं विध्वंसेत विस्रंसेत विचूर्णी भवेत् एवं हैव यथा अयं दृष्टान्त एवमेव विध्वंसमान विशेषेण ध्वंसमान. लेट्स सी दिस मच. स यथा स दृष्टान्तः यथा. So sa yatha is there in the mantra. So sa means drashtanto. Yatha, just as loke ashmanam. Pratipadika is ashman. Pashanam ritva. Pashanam gatva. Having approached the rock. Prapya. Loshtaha means a lump of clay. Mitti ka dhela. Rock is there and clay is there. Clay will hit and it will get shattered. Pamsupindaha means in our sadhana we should be like this. Main point here is I should be such that no negativity should come to me. In the sense that my speech, like how, simple example, when you are doing fasting, you have so much food in your house or in your room, but you don't feel like, oh, I have to eat this, I have to eat because I am hungry and there is food. Once you have made determination, nothing will affect you. Like that for everything. That I have made this determination, I will be good, I will be good. This is called like Pashana. And then some or the other papa will come because of my own vasanas, my own weaknesses. I should be able to keep it aside. See, Vedanta Vidya has not started in Brihadaranyaka. All this, when we are able to do it, Asatoma Sadgamaya ityadi, Shastriya Karma, Upasana Vritti increases significantly, then Chaturtha Brahmana is where Vedanta Vidya is going to begin. So all this is preparing us. Not that, three Brahmana, just skip them. Let us start from 4th Brahmana, 10th mantra, Aham Brahmasmi, and finish it. अब तो कुछ नहीं होगा. पाषाण चूर्णनाय अश्मनि निक्षिप्तः. पांसुपिंड पाषाणे चूर्णनाय अश्मनि निक्षिप्तः. पाषाण चूर्णनाय. So पाषाणे चूर्णनाय निक्षिप्तः अश्मनि निक्षिप्तः स्वयं विध्वंसेत विस्रंसेत विचूर्णी भवेत्. That loshta itself will become churna. Evam haiva yathayam drashtantah. Just as this drishtanta is, evam eva vidvamsamana visheshena dhvansamana asuraha. These asuras got destroyed. How? Vishwanchaha nanagatayaha vineshuhu vinashtaha yatas tatas vinashtaha. Here and there they got all destroyed. तस्माद् असुर विनाशात् देवत्व प्रतिबंध भूतेभ्यः स्वाभाविक आसंग जनित पापमभ्यः वियोगात् असंसर्ग धर्मी मुख्य प्राणाश्रय बलात् देवा वागादयः प्रकृता अभवन्. Tasmat, therefore, asura vinashat, because asuras got destroyed, then what happened? Devatas whose devatva was obstructed, devatva pratibandha bhutebhyaha. Swabhavika asanga janita papmabhyaha viyogat. Now Swabhavika papa is not there for devatas. Viyogat, separated from that. Asansarga dharmi mukhya pranashraya balat. Because this mukhya prana which is having asansarga dharma, on the strength of that, devaha vagadayaha prakrita abhavan. These devatas, they became devatas. Means they became naturally who they were supposed to be, not this weaker. Means they came back to their glory now. In Tika, Asura Nashena Asanga Janita Papma Viyogi Hetumaha. Asura Nashena, when Asuras got destroyed, Asanga Janita Papa was not there anymore for Prana because Asansarga iti. Prana has Asansarga Dharma. Kim Abhavan in Bhashya. Swam Devata Rupam Agnyadhyatmakam Vakshamanam. Vag Devata got its own Rupam. What is the Vag Devata Rupa? Agni. Because Vacho Devata Vanni. The presiding deity in Vagindriya is Vanni. So, Agnyadhyatmakam Vakshamanam, which will be said later. Tika. Vagadinam Sthitanam Nashtanam cha Kuto Agnyadi Rupatvam. Vagadis, they were there, but they were nashta. How did they attain Agnyadi Rupatvam? Earlier itself, they were Agni Rupa. Purvam api Agnyadi Atmanaha eva santaha. Swabhavikena papmana tiraskrita vijnanaha pind matra abhimana asan. Earlier in their glory, actually, they were Agnyadi Devata. But because of their insignificant nature, lack of effort, etc., they identified themselves with only their pinda matra abhimana, and tiraskrita vijnana. They rejected tiraskritam vijnanam yena. They rejected their glorious knowledge of who they are, etc. Achadita agnyadi swarupa vijnana ityartha. And therefore they suffered. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.